In a world today full of chaos, division, and fear, what should a believer do at this point of times? Jesus gives us a simple but powerful command: be united, be pure, be His light. One in Christ, pure in heart. A call to unity in a divided world. Unity in Christ. John 17:21 says that they all may be one. Jesus didn't pray for buildings or big programs or events, but He prayed that we would be one. So let's stop competing with each other and let's start uniting with one another. A pure heart sees God. As per Matthew 5:8, blessed are the pure in heart. God doesn't look at appearances. He doesn't look about our outward appearance. He looks at our heart. Purity means surrendering our pride, ego, anger, and sin to God. Purity prepares us for unity. And in Peter, 1 Peter 1:22 says, love one another deeply from a pure heart. Unity without love is fake. Real love forgives. Real love serves one another. Real love will show sacrifices. Love deeply. Forgive freely. Forgiving is free. But we need to forgive one another. We need to love in deep. One body, many parts. As per 1 Corinthians 12 says, we are not solo believers. We are one body. Each person matters. And every prayer counts. We need to walk, pray, and stand together. In these hard times, the church must rise not with division but with unity and purity in heart. Let the world see Christ through our lives.